Hello friends, we all use Google at least once in a day. Whether we use YouTube or Google Map or Google Search, we are directly or indirectly using Google. Do you guys know that there are some tricks available in Google? There are so many tricks available which can't be shown in a single video, so I have selected only some special tricks which you can try in both mobile phones or in computer. Watch this video till end because in number 1 there is something special trick. So without any delay, let's get started to watch the video. Number 14. Animal sound. You need to open your browser in mobile or computer and search for animal sound. And you will get the results showing different animal with your voice as like shown in a video. Number 13. Go to your mobile or computer browser and search Google Snake and you will see a snake game to play. For moving snake in different directions, just sweep in a direction to which you want snake to move, and you can use up, down, left and right keys of your keyboard if you are in computer. Number 12. Go and search on Google roll a dice and you will get a digital dice to roll. Not only dice, you can also flip a coin and get head or tail. Just you need to do is search flip a coin. Number 11. Let's spin a spinner in Google. Well, you need to search spinner and you will get a number to spin. You can change that wheel size and make it bigger and bigger in number. You can also spin a real like spinner. Just you need to do is turn that option towards Breakout and you will get real like spinner. Number 10. Go to your browser and type Tic Tac Toy and play Tic Tac Toy with Google. You can choose impossible and try to beat Google, and you can also play with your friends too. Just choose play against friend. Number 9. Do you want to do breathing exercise at any time or at anywhere? Then Google is always there for you. It's simple. You need to search breathing exercise and follow its instruction and breathe in and out according to that circle size. Number 8. Now let's try some surprise from Google. Go and search Google birthday surprise spinner and see a result. Spin that wheel and open your gift. This time go and see surprise by yourself. Number 7. This is really amazing and I actually love this. Open your browser and search Phoebe Buffet and you will see small guitar somewhere in the screen. Just click that and see what happens. Same like that, search Wizard of Oz and this time you will get a lady's sandal. Click on that and your screen will start to rotate with horror like sound and it will change into black and white screen. Now again you will see tornado instead of those sandals. Click on that and one house will pop out and your screen will again start to rotate and come back to normal. Now for other tricks, I am feeling lucky option is very much necessary. If you are in mobile, then go to Google Chrome or any other browser and switch to desktop mode and type google.com and you will find I am feeling lucky option is available. Same like that in computer, you just need to go to Google Chrome or any other browser and type google.com and you will see the same option. Okay, if you have done, then let's move to next trick. Number 6. Google Sphere. Type Google Sphere on google.com and click on I am feeling lucky and see that everything is spinning around the Google's logo. Number 5. Google Gravity. Now here you need to search Google Gravity and same as before, click on I am feeling lucky and you will see everything falling down because of zero gravity. You can also throw any elements here and there including Google logo. Number 4. Now let's see Google underwater. For that, type Google underwater and click on I am feeling lucky and you will see Google floating in water. Search anything and press enter and more fish will be dropped and Google will fall more deeper and deeper in the water. Number 3. Google Pacman. Well, if you are bored, then try this game provided by Google. For that, type Google Pacman on search box and click same as before, and here you go. You are redirected to Google Pacman game. Use up, down, left and right button of your keyboard, or if you are on mobile, then sweep towards the direction to which you want to move, as same like of that snake game. Number 2. Google Breakout. Well, this is also game. This game is really amazing. Go and search Google Breakout and click on I am feeling lucky, then you are redirected to Breakout game like as you can see in video. You can sweep in mobile phones and move mouse in computer to save ball to fall down. Now we are in number 1. In number 1 we have Thanos Snap. Once reminder, still you need to be on desktop site if you are on mobile, and same as before, open your browser and go to google.com and type Thanos Snap and click on I am feeling lucky. You may be able to see a golden hand in your screen. Click on that hand and see magic. Everything will disappear as like in Avenger, and if you click once again on that same hand, then all the disappeared things will come back to normal. Just try it by yourself, it is really amazing. Now we are at the end of the video. If you found this video interesting, then give this video with like and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.